Oke, kembali lagi bersama saya John Battle. Kali ini kita akan melanjutkan karir mode Sassuolo ya. Di pertandingan Serie A terakhir kemarin kita kalah ya melawan Torino di pertandingan terakhir dengan skor 2-1. Kita lihat dulu kalender kita. Kita akan melewati atau melawan Palermo di Serie A dan juga away melawan Inter Milan di Super Cup ya. Selanjutnya kita akan melawan Udinese di Liga dan juga Fiorentina serta Torino lagi. Oh ya, ini bursa transfer ya, Januari sudah mau buka. Oke. Dan untuk selanjutnya kita akan pesan dari Burger. Oke, Burger akan main ya. Derby della Madonnina dimenangkan oleh Inter Milan dengan skor 2-1 ya. Oke. Osula ya, saya terlalu emosi kemarin. Oke, yuk. Sekarang harus lepas lah. Losek ditawar oleh Juventus dengan harga 101. Anjir, berapa dia anunya ya? Harusnya bisa nambah gak sih itu? Gede pak dia market value-nya. Bentar, 79 ya. Ntar kalau 100 tambah dikit harusnya bisa sih itu. Negotiation. Oke. $115 kali ya. Juventus, please accept. 111, 113 deh. 115 bisa itu harusnya pak, di push terus. Yuk bisa yuk. Oke, deal 115. Semoga negosiasi gaji berjalan lancar ya. Match reschedule lawan Roma dan juga Milan. Oke, no problem. Kita langsung advance saja ke matchnya langsung. Chelsea juga menawar ya. Berapa dulu? Anjir, siapa tuh pemain adisionalnya? Alejandro Garnacho. Kita punya dua sih, walaupun si ini kurang ya. Ntar kita nego aja lah. Left midfielder Sloane pak, 3445 berapa berarti? 79 ditambah 60 lah bos. Kalau ente mau 60 bos. 60 tambah 45 105 70. Baru saya jabanin itu 70. 43 anjir. 70 Pak, 70 tuh 100 berapa ya, 115. Nah 70 harusnya pak. Oke, ini nggak mau mereka ya. Kita kasih aja 115 lah, biar perang sama Juventus. Oke, langsung deal ya. Langsung mau. Pre-match training, opponent analysis. Oke, mereka menonton formasi 3-4-2-1 ya. Dan kita langsung aja lah ya. Match day. Kita pakai formasi ini nih. Nah, untuk yang di sini itu, oke, pertama kita pasang Sergej Milinkovic-Savic kali ya. Oke, nggak apalah. Kone, Wingard. Oke. Yuk play match Mapei Stadium melawan Palermo ya. Mantan klub dari Dybala. Sebelum dia ke Juventus kan sempat main di Palermo ya. Yuk, kick off babak pertama.
Welcome to you. Conditions not ideal here this evening. I'm Guy Mowbray and I'm joined by Sue Smith on the gantry. An extra gift all wrapped up for you to enjoy. How do you see this one going, Sue?
Gusto, Domenico Berardi. Nggak usah. Kasih Gallagher.
And what have you got for me?
Just being with me should be your present.
No, 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 no.
This is the lineup for the visitors.
Well, it looks like a 4-2-3-1 when they're in possession.
Nah.
Maybe go to a 4-5-1 when defending.
Astaga, offset,
I think
Pak.
the double pivot in midfield, they're key to protect the back line, but they also need to get forward to support the press. There's going to be plenty of threat from the
Anjir,
wide midfielders too,
kakinya
I'm
kenapa
sure.
itu, Pak? Ngebak anjir. Kadang tangannya nggak ada, kadang kakinya nggak ada. Udah lah ya, biarin lah ya.
Options available in the middle.
Oke,
Goal kick when it looked for all the world like
gagal
a
tadi
goal.
pemain Palermo
Oh, there was
mencoba
some pace
merobos
in that
pertahanan
attack,
kita
they
ya.
couldn't finish it off, could
Ditempel
they?
oleh Doik, Conor Gallagher kepada Sergei Milinkovic. Aduh, offset itu harusnya.
Lost and gratefully received.
Aduh, Burger nggak bisa lagi.
This could be threatening.
Burger sih masih bisa sih. Aduh, Gusto.
Setting up the chance.
Astaga, gol
It's no
hantu
longer
Jo.
goalless. There's the opener.
Well, here's the
Lalu
replay.
gitu golnya mereka,
Despite
Pak.
lots of pressure from the defender, he manages to hold him off, gets his shot away.
Anjir ya.
Goal that.
Gallagher.
Biasaan di Serie A selalu bertahan,
Now
Pak.
Milinkovic-Savic. Gusto. Milinkovic-Savic.
Alah,
Intercepted.
Thuram
Great
ngopernya.
reading of the game.
sumpah.
They've been on the wrong end of this fixture
Finishing
of late,
jago
but
tapi
that
ngoper
really
nggak
needs
bisa,
to
Pak,
change.
dia, Pak.
Yeah, it does, and they've not got the best record against them, have they? I'm sure the
Oke, Vasik
manager's gonna have
adalah
a plan today. Let's see how they go, eh?
dibayangi oleh si Gusto ya. Aduh, Burger
Opportunity here.
ngaco mulu pemainnya.
Deserved the chance was on, but they've lost it.
Gallagher,
I thought he was in
Hampir.
there. Looked like a goal for sure, didn't it?
ah,
Perfect.
aduh, kalah lari lagi
Not the end
sama
result that
Diakte.
was hoped for.
Padahal main kenceng loh, Berardi larinya 80 lebih loh. Anjir, nggak dapet lagi sih ini. Gallagher, bayangi.
Moving it around nicely here, on top and in control.
Anjir, kita lawan tim-tim mediocre, maksudnya tim-tim papan bawah gini malah
Should score here.
kesulitan, Pak.
Berardi. Now with Berger.
Ayo Thuram,
Dangerous. Now
jebol harusnya.
and it's there. A goal that draws
Si
them
tahu
back
tuh
both
Palermo.
times.
Well, it's a lovely pass to thread it through. Real awareness to spot the run. And as soon
Yeah.
as he's through 1v1 with the goalkeeper,
Satu sama.
he just goes for power.
Gomez kepada
Smashes
Antonio
it in the net.
Sanchez,
It's a quality
pada
finish.
Ranukia. Oke, Sergei Milinkovic-Savic.
Anticipation.
Santai, santai kawan.
Berger.
Bisa.
On to Gallagher.
Ntar nggak bisa, kita main-main dulu di belakang ya.
Malo Gusto. Marcus Thuram.
Ah.
Into a good position.
Thuram maju. Aduh, corner. Oke.
It's deflected out. Corner. Being delivered.
Astaga.
Well, it comes to nothing in the end.
JJs lagi.
Malo Gusto. Has to turn them around.
Hajar. Oke, Thuram brace.
Oh, what a goal!
Kasih tahu Thuram.
Real chance going for it like that. But boy, has
Oke,
it paid
selebrasi
off.
bayi. Rio Gumoha belum kelihatan nih, saya belum nyerang dari sisi Rio Gumoha nih.
Flings himself at it. Certainly
Anjir,
one for
pas
the
tuh itu
show
baru
reel.
posisinya GG ya si Thuram ya.
Time and time again.
Oke, sekarang kita balik skor 2-1.
We're 2-1 now.
Sergei, oke, Burger. Tuh, Rio Gumoha nggak maju lagi. Ntar dulu, sabar dulu. Sabar,
Pascal Struijk.
main-main dulu lah. Oke.
Happy to just
Alah, Rio. Depan ke Gallagher loh. Oke, Thuram. Siapa Gallagher? Gallagher bisa.
And they might be
Anjir.
in.
Bahaya.
Good
Anjir.
start, and more
Tendangan
importantly,
kejut, Cuk.
away from danger.
Oke, babak pertama ya.
Whistle brings the first half.
Skor 2-1, kita ketinggalan dulu namun berhasil remontada ya.
The ball is rolling
Hmm.
and the second half is underway.
Oke, kita harus press ini. Oke, Thuram, hat-trick.
Now for the finish.
Hat-trick.
And two becomes
Anjir,
three as he
anjir.
completes his hat-trick. A
Gede.
superb performance.
Asis dari Ryon Gumoa ya.
Just look at this great ball played through. Excellent awareness to create the opportunity. And as soon as he's through 1v1 with the keeper, he just smashes it.
Oke, kali ini Gomez.
Power in the strike, it's brilliant.
Gomez berbahaya, serangan balik. Oke, gol kejut kah? Anjir, hampir saja, Cuk. Tendangan kejut. Jayces, Pascal.
Pascal Struijk.
Astaga, pemainnya nggak ada yang dekat loh. Rio. Oke,
Conor Gallagher.
serangan balik.
Now Milinkovic Savic. Now there could be an opportunity to counter. And this could be.
Astaga,
Close at the end of it all.
jauh sih.
Really quick counter-attack that
Harusnya
was.
shoot sendiri ya, Quadrick ya harusnya ya.
Get them up the pitch so quickly. Created a great opportunity. Just
Wih,
couldn't
sah.
quite put the ball in the back
Gila.
of the net.
Milinkovic Savic.
Aduh, si ini nggak maju lagi si Berardi. Padahal lah muncul loh.
Really well, didn't they?
Maju kelar itu.
Really well organised off the ball there.
Alah, Gallagher, Cuk, di mana-mana, Cuk.
Promise developing.
alah.
Behind it goes for a corner.
Kita bergantian pemain nanti ya.
Played into the box. And a nervy
Bahaya,
clearance, still
Gallagher.
pressure.
Wait, sah.
Possession lost just at the point of something
Mana
happening.
Rio? Belum kembali ya.
Berger.
Ntar.
Struijk. Onto Gallagher. Milinkovic Savic. Oh, nice vision in that pass.
Rio. Anjir, bisa tepis dong.
That's a top stop.
Pergantian pemain ya. Karena jadwal kita padat. Kita harus ganti-ganti pemain. Oke kan, Thuram kan udah hat-trick. Guingat kita mainkan Guingat, Kone, dan juga Cercati. Ganti Pascal aja lah.
He's made a
Yuk.
real difference today.
Aduh, kok si Eriksen sih? Jangan.
Delivered into the box.
Anjir,
That corner far from
siapa
the keeper.
Cercati yang duel?
Saved it without a problem. And the Serie A fair continues to come your way on EA TV.
Nggak bisa.
Palermo face Bologna. Another match for your viewing pleasure.
Honor. Cercati masuk. Gak bisa. Main-main dulu aja.
Conor Gallagher. Could be
Kasih.
something developing here. Oh, they were getting
Aduh.
interested there, but not anymore. That has gone out. It'll be a throw.
Kok Cercati di depan, Pak?
We're inside the final quarter of an hour now. Good ball
Guingat.
behind.
Oke. GG.
Glanced
Guingat.
at the pitch there, but
Nice
only
try.
himself to blame
Anjir,
really
siapa itu,
for a
Cuk?
blaze that's missed.
Mukanya pakai topeng, Cuk, ada kan tadi? Nah, Gusto, ada Jayces. Umpan dulu.
Conor Gallagher.
Conor Gallagher, Kone. Oke. Gusto kelamaan.
Red.
Pasik. Kone, bayangi.
Picking it upon
Nice try. Aduh, ngawur kan, Gusto ngawur. Tokone itu ya.
Taken without any
Oke,
trouble.
Turati. Doik.
Setting up the chance.
Lincoln. Aduh, umpannya.
Try to win the ball. Here they go.
Hajar.
Oh,
Asu.
that is a top
Giliran
quality
pemain
save.
muda kita untuk nyetak gol susah, Pak. Kipernya GG, Pak.
Well, it was a good save from the keeper, and you just feel if that had
Oke,
gone in,
Kone.
definitely no
Kone
one
GG
back
ya.
to them. Now they've just got to keep believing that they can get something from this.
A big moment. And there might be another to come soon.
Guingat maju.
They're in here. quality
Anjir,
keeping.
kipernya masih GG dong.
Showed his class there with that save. You'd expect
ambilin
him
Colin
to
Savage
score
lah,
from
apalah.
there, but he comes from nowhere to keep that out.
But they could still do something.
Alah. Terlalu ramah ya.
It comes to nothing in the end.
Oke, kemenangan
There
pertama
is
kita
the
ya.
final whistle. Plenty of positives for them to take away. Not least the 3 points, Sue.
Yeah, it was a good result and performance. I thought they always looked dangerous going forward. They kept the ball well in midfield, and I'm sure the manager will be happy.
Oke. Performance Marcus Thuram dengan hat-tricknya ya, berhasil meraih man of the match di pertandingan kali ini. Kita melakukan 9 shot dan mereka 5 shot. Artinya kita unggul jauh lah ya. Oke, bloknya menang 3-0 atas Torino. Oke, kita press conference terlebih dahulu. JCS, Marcus Thuram, dua pemain hebat di lini pertahanan dan lini serang kita. Milan Colin Savage di lini tengah tentunya. Musim pertamanya ya, langsung meledak. Dan selanjutnya kita akan melawan Inter Milan. Oke, Osula mendapat tawaran dari Atalanta ya. 15, bentar, dia market value berapa? 30 Pak dia nawar. Osula itu 34. Oh, anjir. Harus lebih dong. Anjir, market value 34 ditawar 30. Cuk, klub kere asu 45, nggak ada. Nih kalau mau. Anjir, klub kere, cuk, klub Serie A ini anjing emang. Ini 43 deh. Saya turunin lagi 43, nggak bisa. Oke, kita advance langsung ya. Dan ya, Olsek ke Juventus akhirnya ya, bukan ke Chelsea dengan budget 115 juta euro. Anjing 141. Bodoh amat lah. Ferrara. Anjir, ini gimana sih maksudnya? You exchange player, no. Reject. Oke, Chelsea 101 anjing, diambil 15 juta euro. Manuel Poli. Mana Manuel Poli? Nah, ini 17 tahun. Rating sih tinggi, Pak. Oke, promo tim senior. Langsung advance saja lah, lawan Inter Milan. Super Copa. Ferrara. Berapa nih? Oke. Ini 4 juta Pak tawarnya, Pak. Dah. From Poli. Wis. Congrats bro. Welcome to senior club. Oke, kita akan melawan Inter Milan ya. Osula ke Atalanta dengan budget 43 juta. Nah kan, pas kan? Berapa nih dikasih sama bot bangsat ini? 36 dong. Kayak duit kita harusnya 100 lebih lah ya. Hah? Oh enggak. Masuknya nanti ya, setelah pas transferin buka ya. 115, 110 tambah 30 berapa tadi? Itu aja udah 100 lebih, Pak. 150-an. Kita bisa beli ini Yamal kali ya. Boleh kali Yamal ya. Bisa, Pak, Yamal, Lamine Yamal ya. Ya kan? Untuk mendongkrak tim kan di sisi kanan kan. Olise larinya kurang sih Olise, cuman bagus sih finishing apa-apanya itu bagus, cuman ya larinya itulah. Oke, Inter menang formasi 4-3-4-2-1. Anjir, Mohamed Salah dong. Oke, saya takut. Kita langsung aja lah ya. Checkpoint sentral match day, langsung kita menang formasi ini. Paham? Ntar ini gini dulu aja. Atau Kone, mainin Kone. Kenapa Poli, Pak? Conor Gallagher. Nah ini GG nih. Volpato dua ini lah, nggak usah lah ya. Going not, oke, main. Oke, kita play match Stadium Giuseppe Meazza ya. Langsung gaskan.
It's a game
Super
that
Copa,
could
kan?
bring even more pressure than the final itself. One more win to get there, and semi-final losers are
Apa Coppa
exactly
Italia
that.
bisa?
This is no time to
Harusnya
fail.
Super Copa sih. Nah, Super Copa itu
It's on the way to
cuman
you live
mainnya di
on
Inter,
the
Pak.
ATV.
Di kota Milan mainnya. Nggak apa lah.
Well, hello to you and welcome to
Ini
another
dia ya.
exciting game.
Kita nggak akan
brought to you
gentar
by
dengan
EA
warna
TV.
biru hitamnya
I'm
Inter
Guy
Milan.
Mowbray, your commentator,
Warna
with the
hijau hitam
professional
harus
view provided by
mendominasi
Stuart
dan
Robson.
memenangkan
And we
piala
should
ini.
have a
Ini kan
cracking
kalau menang piala
contest
pertama,
here.
Pak,
What can we
bagi
expect from the game
saya
then?
sebagai manajer
Well,
kan.
the first piece of silverware of the season. Both
Walaupun
teams
pialanya nggak
desperate to
dipajang di
claim
sini
it.
ya.
With the quality on display, I think we should have a really good game here.
Lagi Marcus Thuram menghadapi tim mantan timnya ya. Siapa tuh? Dumfries. Boni ini harusnya. Oke, kita langsung aja lah ya.
We go then, another 90 minutes of football begins.
Rio Gumoa di situ.
This
Ada
is the
Doik.
home side's team today.
Manuel Kone, bentar
Well, it
dulu.
looks like they're gonna play
Sabar,
a
Pak, harus sabar.
3-4-3 formation without wing-backs, which means the outside centre halves will need to cover the areas out wide, which I would say is asking a lot.
Anjir, Lautaro mana, Cok?
Here's the Sassuolo
Di atas
team
tuh
sheet.
Lautaro kah?
Well, it's a 3-4-2-1, so it's going to be interesting to see what's expected of the wing-backs here. Are they going to be high up the field or drop deeper to make a back five?
Alah,
Only
kok
time
gak
will tell.
nyundul sih? Barella, Carboni.
The manager's
Ini
record
Boni nih.
against this opposition isn't looking great
Anjir,
lately.
Thuram gak dimainin
It
dong.
doesn't take much to
Oke,
turn things around.
ini harusnya peluang bagi kita ya. Karena striker utama mereka nggak main.
Not yet anyway. And it's a
Oke,
good
Turati.
save, although one you'd expect to be made. And they go short with the ball.
Oke, GG Rio.
The box it goes.
Nah,
But it comes to
kontrol
nothing
dari
in
yang
the
kurang
end.
sempurna dari
Really
Barella.
should have made more of that.
Turati kepada Pascal Struijk.
Very good move.
Ntar dulu.
They want
Alah,
to know
kok
what
nggak
to do with it.
disambut langsung sih?
Backed himself here, and
Biar
that's
Ardi kosong.
safe and secure goalkeeping.
Ya Pak, main kok malah ketekan sih. Nah, Conor Gallagher.
Conor Gallagher. Claudio Manu Kone. Pass played through perfectly. Just needs
Ajar.
composure.
Alah. Oh, 2 kali nggak harusnya ya? Aduh,
That's a good pass.
bangke. Kalah dong.
Now Milinkovic.
Maksudnya kalah
Savic.
cepat ya. Aduh,
Read the pass well and
sampai
cuts it
dong.
out.
susah Pak, rapat. Mereka main counter attack belakang, mereka main.
Starting to get interested here.
Oke, Doik. Oke.
That will be a throw in now. Nicely sets it up. This will see the lead.
Hmm.
Oh, a flawless tackle.
Gigi nih.
Well, that's a vital piece of defending. He did really well there.
Aduh.
Moving forward under no real pressure.
Carboni anjir stamina sampai habis gitu ya.
Promising looking ball.
Wis
Get far.
Gigi.
And it's gone
Anjir,
over the
kita
byline.
tempur terus,
Goal
Pak.
kick on the way.
Di press tuh.
Strauk.
Oke, Gallagher kosong.
Marcus Thuram.
Thuram.
Oh, could be a chance here.
Selebrasi Thuram. Selebrasi. Selebrasi Thuram. Kok selebrasi bayi? Bukan selebrasi kuping kok. Ya kita nggak gentar dengan berapa tuh? 65.000 atau 75.000 penonton dari Inter Milan ya. Kita cuman berapa 5.000 Pak, 5.000 penonton tapi suaranya nggak kalah kenceng dengan supporter tuan rumah. Harusnya tempat netral malah di San Siro main. Dia kan harusnya main di Arab atau di Asia atau di Amerika gitu. Ya apa-apalah. Anjir. Yan Bisek pasang kiri. Ntar dia bukannya kaki kanan Pak. Harusnya emang biasanya Bastoni sih yang di kiri itu. Tengah itu Acerbi, De Vrij. Nggak tahu Acerbi mungkin pensiun ya. Atau De Vrij tuh harusnya yang di tengah. Atau Yan Bisek juga bisa. Tar dulu.
Well, it's been a tight game so far, but
Ntar,
they've
nggak
just
bisa,
had
nggak
that
bisa.
little bit more quality on the ball, particularly in midfield, where they've just started to take control. They'll be fairly happy going in at half-time if it stays like this.
Thuram malah kesana kemari. Yang bener aja bro.
But no great panic here about firing themselves level.
It all needs a bit more penetration, really.
Ntar, yo.
Fratesi. Getting closer.
Pratesi ya, pemain yang sempat kita incar ya.
Looking to put the cross in. And the defense
Alah.
gains control.
Biasaan cok.
Could be setting something now. Nicolo Barella.
Siapa tuh JJ? Oke. Skor 1-0 ya.
Comes to an end. Off we go
Ntar
again.
Super Coppa
Second
kan
half
harusnya
begins.
pemenang Coppa Italia melawan juara Serie A ya. Juara Serie A tahun lalu Milan. Sekarang
Davide Fratesi.
kita runner up. Milan juara kan double winner. Tapi kok lawan Inter kita Pak? Atau mungkin 4 tim ya yang berlaga ya. Iya ya, format baru Coppa Italia gitu ya.
And the
Bus
attack
Rio.
breaks down.
Well, they defend those areas really well.
Ntar dulu. JHS,
Marlo
Gerardi, Connor.
Gallagher. Guadio Manu Kone.
Ini
Waited
brace
back.
yuk.
Oh, look at this.
Hajar.
A wonderful
Ya
pass, but he's
ampun.
failed to take it.
Yeah, I'm not quite
Oh,
sure why he
kipernya
hit
bukan
so
Liam Sommer
strongly.
loh.
Substitution coming up.
Peter Susic masuk menggantikan Gomis ya. Perisi. Siapa kipernya tadi? Ivan Perisi. Bukan Pak. Alah,
Barella.
Barella. Oke.
Deceptive. Great reading of the game.
Aduh. Maju Rio. Oke, Gallagher.
Lovely incisive ball.
Alah, kalah Thuram, maju duluan harusnya. Jadi pemantul kek. Masa di false 9?
And the work pays
Wih,
off as
minta
they get
dulu.
the ball back.
Milinkovic Savic. Tenang, kita atur tempo aja dulu.
Malo Gusto. Guadio Manu Kone.
Atur tempo aja dulu.
Now
Nggak bisa.
Milinkovic Savic. Domenico Berardi. Conor Gallagher. An attack of genuine promise developing.
Wah,
Oh,
anjir.
decent position. But he went to whack it rather than place it. And
Siapa tuh nomor 7 dimasukin tuh? Anjir, Mohamed Salah kah? Kita harus mau nggak mau, Pak. Kita harus rotasi nih. Matic nanti boleh main lah.
narrowly missed.
Anjir, Mohamed Salah dong. Nomor 7-nya ya. Menganikan Carboni. Perry kipernya, Pak. Sommer mana nggak dimainin atau dijual emang ya?
Davide Fratesi. Could turn out to be a really good ball.
Tapi terakhir kemarin dia masih main kok. Ntar, nggak bisa.
Gusto.
Bahaya. Pemain kita mana lagi? Jauh lah, biar aman. Oke, Solane. Anjir, dipres. Ah, ngawur nendang, cok.
They won the ball and know what to do with it.
Solane kintil ngawur.
Salah.
Mohamed Salah bahaya. Oke, gocek Mohamed Salah.
Paulo Barella. Well, now they could spring the trap.
Oke, Berardi tuh.
It's a really
Berardi.
promising break. And it's
Alah.
out.
Kenapa kaki kiri anjing? Kaki kanan anjing.
Making a change here. Here it comes.
Alah, malah.
Only a half
Neker
chance.
lagi.
It's missed by quite a distance.
Yeah, but he was under a lot of pressure there. He certainly won the header.
Oke, menit 79 ya.
10 minutes to go. Nicolo Barella in the right position to cut out the pass. Marcus Thuram.
Loh, Berardi gak maju.
Now Milinkovic Savic.
Sergei. Bentar, kita puter-puter aja di sini, Pak.
Berardi. Milinkovic Savic.
Gak usah.
Stroud.
86 loh itu menitnya. Ini kita main-main aja lah, bos. Kita udah unggul kan. Iya kan? Bodoh amat. Apalah, menang lah.
Now Milinkovic
Yang penting menang kan?
Gusto.
Belakang
Time is
dulu.
on their side and the score is in their favour.
Yeah, they're
Oke, mereka
certainly
ngepres ya.
playing confidence, aren't they?
Oke.
All over, but not for the
Dapat piala
visiting
harusnya.
fans.
Oh,
They
ini
can look
masih.
forward to seeing where the competition takes
juara.
them next.
Well, in a very
Final.
tight match, they just about deserved
Kota
their
Sassuolo ya.
It certainly wasn't easy. They had to show a lot of character and determination at times, but they're through to the next round, and that's all that matters.
Oh, belum ada
He's
piala, Pak. Ini
performed admirably, a
semifinal.
really good performance.
Turam
Managed to put
3
his stamp on the
percobaan
game.
anjir, cuma
He
1
obviously
gol.
scored the winning goal, but it was his overall
Peluang keduanya
performance
tadi
that
harusnya
impressed me
menjadi
most.
gol
He
sih,
was
itu
on
lawan
fire
1 lawan
today.
1 sih. Ada pertandingan. Oh, ada Milan. Ya, benar-benar.
Siamo in compagnia del mister per le
Tim
prime
ya.
impressioni a caldo sul match appena concluso.
Sergei Milinkovic Savic, Turati, Jazz, GG.
Ringraziamo.
Ntar berarti tapi ada satu leg aja sih itu harusnya. Oke, ini bisa transfer buka lah ya. Kita langsung jam ke tanggal 1 aja Le. Langsung aja. Oke, selanjutnya kita eSport FC Super Cup melawan Milan ya. Ini baru netral, sorry. Tadi saya salah baca Pak, ternyata ya. Osula the part, check the part, reschedule lawan Udinese, Fiorentina dan Torino. Yap. Kita save dulu ya. Kita save. Dan kita akan memainkan laga melawan Milan ya. Melawan Milan ini ya, di sini kita akan melawan AC Milan. Langsung aja advance. Ferrara. Ferrara ini penawaran selalu gagal. Apa cok? Delegate aja lah. 4,5 dia harganya. 5 6. Oke. Press conference terlebih dahulu. Final Supercoppa Italiana. Berarti AC Milan tadi mengalahkan Fiorentina ya. Marcus Thuram, CICS akan menjadi pemain yang sangat penting di lini belakang maupun di depan Sassuolo ya. Oke, apalagi 200 emails breakdown job opportunity. Apa ini? Newcastle United. Oke, next time maybe ya. Opponent analysis, mereka menggunakan formasi 3-1-4-2. Marmus Boniface, oke, Chukwueze, Tomori, De Winter, Pavlovic, Alisson Becker. Anjir, 2 kiper GG cok. Becker sama Maignan. Cuman yang main ini ya Becker ya. Tapi kenapa mereka beli kiper punya kiper 2 GG sekaligus ya? Bentar. Saya tadi sudah searching ada beberapa nama kandidat ya untuk mengisi ini. Bentar, budget kita ini ya. 173 juta euro Pak. Nah, berarti kita bisa dong beli winger kelas atas ya. Muhammad Kudus sudah ada. Berarti kita bisa dong beli Kipli, Lamine Yamal. Oke lah ya. Kita scout dulu lah ya. Kan nggak apa-apa cok. Sama ini Minteh dari Brighton ya. Gila cok, duit segede itu kan. Iya kan? Terus bentar nih. Oke. Terus di sini masih bisa diisi oleh si Volpato ya, atau si nanti gantian lah. Santoro, Kone, dan juga si Wingard ini juga bisa lah ya. Wingard saudara. Oke, langsung saja kita play match. Dan ya, diharapkan venunya King Fahd Stadium.
A loss makes the road much harder. The pressure's on. Who can embrace it and claim the victory? All the
Nah, ini dia
action coming your
trofi
way
Supercoppa
here on
Italiana
the
ya.
ATV.
AC Milan musim lalu berarti
Well,
treble
welcome
winner
to you
dong
and
ya.
thanks for joining us for another game live
Menang
on
Coppa, menang
EATV.
Serie A,
And joining
dan
me,
menang
Guy
Europa
Mowbray
League
for
kalau nggak salah
commentary,
dia.
is the midfielder
Ini
turned
dia ya,
expert analyst Stuart Robson.
Stadion
And
otentik
with the
King Fahd
atmosphere
Stadium di
building
Arab
up
Saudi.
nicely, what a match this promises to be. What are your expectations from this?
Well, the first piece of silverware of the season. Both teams desperate to claim it. With the quality on display, I think we shall
Oke,
Ya,
have a
langsung
really
aja
good
matchnya
game.
ya. AC Milan melawan Sassuolo.
Off and running in the first half.
Anjir, masih ada Pulisic dong. Boleh ya, udah dijual
Here's the
berarti ya.
Sassuolo team sheet. Conor Gallagher starts alongside Sergei Milinkovic-Savic.
Nggak usah. Main aman. Bentar. Wah, astaga, cuk. Kena blok dong oleh Alisson tuh. Alisson atau Maignan itu? Seychelles, Pascal Struijk, George Doik. Santai saja pada Ryung Gumoha. Aduh, tumben kalah duel ya. Milinkovic-Savic. Anjir, wasitnya baju merah juga dong. Oke, Terracciano. Oh, Terracciano main situ deh. Siapa nih? Oyarzabal. Terracciano. Aduh, anjir, Struijk kecolongan, cok, hampir marmus. Dan battle. Apakah ini akan menjadi trofi pertama dia ketika menangani Sassuolo? Kita lihat aja sampai akhir ya. Berardi. Aduh, Berardi juga lambat. Thuram sih agility-nya yang kurang ya. Beli Dembele ya? Enggak lah. Cok, aneh-aneh cok. Sayap kiri aja Yamal atau Minteh itu. Saya butuh sayap yang GG sekalian lah. Alah, bisa kalah loh sama Franco loh. Franco itu pemain akademi sih harusnya. Anjir, bisa kalah cok Thuram cok. Strength-nya gede, cuman balance mungkin ya, atau apa ya? Agility kali ya. Nah ini sendiri, kalau sendiri gini enak cok. Ajar. Ya ampun, Thuram. Oh, ketepis cok. Alah. Aduh. Ada kontrol sedikit ya, harusnya langsung tendang, itu jebol pak. Pato. Oke, Gusto. Kita menguasai permainan ya. Oh, gara-gara Modric udah pensiun belum ya? Kayaknya nggak ada Modric. Bentar.
Gallagher. Berardi. Possession.
Anjir, kenapa nggak di Trivela sih? Dia kan punya kan game changer kan? Atau Lusek ya itu ya? Aduh, gelempang lagi cok. Oyarzabal. Tengah kita lebih kuat kalau 4-3-3 gini. Oke. Berardi sering turun ke bawah, naik ke atas ke bawah lah. Intinya gitu. Daripada 4-4-2 itu tricky banget pak. Sumpah. Aduh. Anjir, JJ sambil blunder tuh. Marmus ya, jadiin striker sama dia ya. Aduh. Nah, buang aja. Oke, babak pertama masih 0-0 ya. Anjir, Thuram kalah sama Franco, cok. One on one, gak gol lagi. Anjir. Padahal punya Trivela kuning dia, cok. Playstyle plus loh. Sabar aja. Main kayak gini harus sabar, cok. Sergei Milinkovic-Savic, Seychelles. Pascal. Gak bisa.
Pascal Struijk.
Anjir,
That's really well
Volpato jauh-jauhan dong. Umpan juga terlalu lembek dong. Gusto, bisa Gusto.
Centre.
Heh,
Goal kick.
niatnya kill malah kebablasan, cok. Boniface ini berbahaya ya.
Deserve, really.
Malo Gusto. The will they or won't they discussions
Aduh,
can
cok,
now
gak
end
guna
because the
sih.
transfer has now been confirmed.
Volpato ini emang passing nggak bisa, lari
Well, the figure that's
pas-pasan.
being quoted is around the 35 million pound mark, which in my view looks to
Emang
be
aja
just
mumpung
about
kalau
right.
dia nyetak
Let's
gol ya.
hope he fits in quickly and justifies that price tag.
Nice possession, but will a goal to give them the lead
Ah,
come at
so.
the end of it?
Samuel Ricci.
Yunus Musa.
Anjir, hampir kan gol
Little chance.
gol iblis
Well, I
kan.
can't believe he's missed the target there. That's a poor finish.
Kita sekarang cok kena tekanan. Mereka press keras loh.
Pascal Struijk.
Anjir kok.
After all this, you hope someone will get a chance.
Aduh, Volpato, anjir. Gak ada perkembangan sama sekali pemain ini.
No way through, that's well kept. It's a confident push
Nah,
forward.
strategi kita udah kebaca oleh AC Milan. Anjir, Boniface sih everywhere
Yunus
sih.
Musa.
Aduh, rebut dong.
Pulisic. And into the box it goes.
Oke.
That hasn't worked as planned. Claimed by the keeper.
Gallagher.
Conor Gallagher. Berardi.
Polos.
Terrific chance.
Hajar.
Defense has been
Kombinasi Rio dan juga Berardi. Gak tahu.
Well, here we can see it again. Look at the way he glides past the defender to create space for himself. And he makes
Kombinasi
it
GG dan
look so easy.
kan,
What a
1-0.
good goal that is.
Atau mungkin kita butuh satu striker ya. Gak mungkin kita ngandelin Guingat atau Thuram sendirian, gak mungkin. Terus satu striker
Ricci.
Simen kah?
Really nicely
Jangan
played.
dua-duanya
What do they do
GG.
with this now?
Aduh, Berardi terlalu
Well,
maju
and
dulu.
cuts it out.
Samuel Ricci.
Setting up the chance. And it's open.
Oke, pas.
That's a
Anjir,
decent
menit
bit of
80.
goalkeeping.
Menit 80, cok. Gak usah pergantian pemain kah?
Marcus Thuram.
Alah, kenapa Rio, cok? Asu. Udah bagus malah.
Rabiot. 5 minutes left, one goal in it. Still the prospect of late excitement.
Ya ampun, kesalahan saya sih itu.
All
Saya
they've
pencet
nicked it,
R2
it can
pada
now
belum.
push forward.
Oke, kita ganti pemain dulu. Rio Ngumoha ganti ini. Burger. Si Volpato Guingat, Thuram ganti. Kone main. Circati mainin boleh lah. Anjir. Sergei Milinkovic-Savic enggak udah ya? Enggak usah lah ya. Si Circati aja lah. Gantiin Struijk.
Two substitutions being made here.
Anjir cok, saya kira musuh itu pemain wasitnya.
He played ball lost.
Kone.
They have to make something count from this.
Cok anjing emang IE kontol milih wasit baju yang sama gitu.
Kone
GG.
finds himself with space now. Well, it looks
Alah.
really up to a point.
Oke, juara bos.
Final whistle.
Trofi pertama
Celebrations can start.
John
They've
Battle
got themselves a
untuk
trophy.
Sassuolo. Gol dicetak oleh Domenico Berardi dan assist dari Rio Gumoa. Ini dia suasana dari Sassuolo ya, kota Sassuolo.
There is the victory cue as each player goes up
Trofi akan
to
diangkat
receive
oleh
their winners' prizes.
Absolutely, and it will give
Trofi
them
pertama.
confidence going forward. I thought their performance was excellent today.
And now the big moment.
Akhirnya,
The trophy lift itself.
Akhirnya. Kalaupun saya meninggalkan Sassuolo di akhir musim, itu artinya at least saya memberikan satu trofi. Ya walaupun orang bilang ini trofi kurang bergengsi, lebih bergengsi Serie A, Coppa Italia atau European Competition ya, seperti Champions League, UEFA Champions League atau European Champions Conference League. Apa? Yang penting kita mempersembahkan trofi. Entah itu orang bilang piala Ciki, Kimai, terserah. Terserah kau bujang, Kastoliki, Palu, Mama. Yang penting kita juara, Gugutsa. Nih, Sassuolo bos mengalahkan AC Milan di partai final. Sassuolo eSport FC Super Cup Champions. Dengerin itu, bujang. Oke. Performance, anjir, Pascal Struijk ya, number 1 ya. Rio Gumoa dengan 1 assist, Berardi dengan 1 gol, Turati dengan 1 save, Marcus Thuram dengan 2 percobaan, J.I.J.S. J.I.J.S kelok sih. Terus match fact sama-sama 5 lah. Oke, ball position nggak penting lah. Betapa kita ball position banyak-banyak tapi kalah, ya kan, nggak efektif cok. Yang penting itu nyetak gol sebanyak-banyaknya, menang udah. Itu sepak bola. Nggak usah lah bermain indah. Apa gini tai kucing cok. Sepak bola itu yang penting menang, oke? Ente harus tahu yang penting menang, bujang, Super Cup. Oke, dan selanjutnya kita akan melawan Fiorentina ya. Salah satu partisipan ini ya, Super Cup juga. Namun kalah oleh Milan waktu itu. Oke, 6 sini 6. Oke. Berardi bos. Oke, tenang Berardi. Oke, Italy squad. Nggak perlu masalah Ferrara, turnamen prize money 3 juta euro anjir. Apalah. Buang-buang aja lah ya, nggak guna kayak gini. Ini ada 17 tahun Denis Castelli. Anjir, center back 6,6 cok tingginya. Boleh lah. Akademi kita lihat-lihat dulu. Nah ini. Wah, anjir 6,6 cok. Defender. Anjir, dia slash CDM loh. Ntar pace, defending, physical. Dribbling dia punya. Ini GG sih. GG. Ball playing defender kah? 6 pekan. Tapi saya butuh stamina juga dia anjir. Oke, white back. Castelli, pace, defending, physical. Kalau ini sih white back juga lah ya, nambah pace juga apa segala macamnya itu. Bentar. Ini kita defender, midfielder berarti kita harus punya lagi ya, midfielder sama depan striker kita punya 2. Midfielder cok, midfielder asli. Midfielder European, Italian lah ya. Saya mau mencari penerusnya Pirlo. Ini berarti di playmaker. Vision, long pass, short pass, composer, sama holding. Bentar. Box to box, playmaker. Nah gini. Oke, schedule kita selanjutnya adalah lawan si Fiorentina ya. Anjir, 2 hari kemudian Torino cok. Ini Fiorentina berat nih cok, sumpah. Bentar, kita lihat si squad kita ya, berapa hari. Anjir, 18 hari, 15 hari. Anjir, Yamal 20 tahun, Minteh. Pulisic dong, Pulisic berapa, 53. polisi GG sih, GG dia walaupun right foot dia GG pak. Anthony 45. Muhammad Kudus 38. Orlando setting up 3 months. Oke, problem. Atman. Open analysis. Anjir, kita ini harus rotasi dikit. Ada beberapa rotasi yang harus kita lakukan ya. Press conference terlebih dahulu. Karena lawan kita Torino yang mengalahkan kita pak di episode sebelumnya ya. Anjir, itu saya kesel banget kalahkan sama Torino. Nah ini burger bisa jadi opsi ya. Ntar squad mission. Nah ini anjir, center back 17 tahun. Wah ini GG sih, dari segi tinggi badan GG sih. Wih ini GG. Stat to large. Kita bisa gak sih promosiin pemain? 68 Cartier left winger cok. Winger kita udah bener-bener numpuk sih. 17 tahun. Conti ini right foot. Ramos. Ntar kita buang aja kayak gini-gini ya. Aduh, apa ke ini cok? Aduh, anjir lah, ke promote lagi. Kapman. Kita langsung transfer list lah. Apa? Yang nah ini juga kurang ya. Kita buang-buang aja, nggak perlu. Anjir ini sih GG pak. Nih, ini GG. Ini GG 17 tahun juga. 17 tahun. Rasanya buang aja lah, apa? Allah. 15 tahun buang. Buang terus out in progress. Oke lah. Sampai tadi. Defender kita berapa? 6. Midfielder kita 4. Ini Baker. Oke, 17 tahun. Center back murni ya. Anjir. Ini sih white back lah. Biar nambah aja. Nah ini Bogat. Ini cukup tinggi dia ya, postur tubuhnya ya. Atau biarin dia di balance saya ya. Balance. Berapa? 94 pak. Position header. Kita sebenarnya akan melawan Fiorentina. Dan manager Ferrara lagi. Anjir ini gak usah. Terlalu ganggu kita, nggak bakal kejual sama board cookie itu. Kita save, langsung kita lawan Fiorentina. Gas. Oke, di sini anjir semua. Burger Pone kan. Burger nanti boleh nanti ini pas main sama kabar. Terus Ryong Kumoha main. Belen Konstantin. Ntar dulu patung biar aja. Nanti kita bisa masukkan si Oke, kita play match ke Mape Stadium.
We've got the crowd building, the atmosphere buzzing, and all the excitement that comes with the build-up to a vitally important league match. Who can embrace it and claim the victory? Stay tuned for every thrilling moment, live on EA TV. Good evening and welcome.
Langsung
Hopefully
saja
you're able to stay
pertandingannya.
nice and warm wherever you're
Sassuolo
tuning in from
melawan
tonight. I'm
Fiorentina.
Guy Mowbray and I'm joined by the ever-knowledgeable Stuart Robson. We've got a game coming up for you from Serie A. It's Sassuolo and they take on Fiorentina.
Well, it doesn't matter how
Anjir,
good your
Berardi
players are or what
ditempel gitu
formation they're
dong.
playing in, you have to earn the right to play. And I'm sure that will have been reiterated by both managers in the dressing room.
Aduh.
Promises to be a really good game here.
Albert Piccoli.
This is how the hosts line up.
Well, it's certainly a back.
Ada Albert.
I think
Albert
we'll
masih
see a
mencari
lot of
temannya.
rotation in midfield.
Oke.
They just need to have a
Aduh,
good
Rio
understanding
gagal
about when
dia.
to support the front player and when to drop
Rio?
that little bit deeper.
Salah.
It certainly looks like a 4-5.
Langsung diserobot gitu dong.
Looking to put the
Anjir,
cross
Cok,
in.
salju ini agak susah, Cok.
It might be in. Intercepted. Great reading of the game. Here's the Fiorentina team.
Babi.
Well, they're starting with an attacking 4-5-1 formation with 3 players in advance of 2 holding midfielders. But it's important that the wide players come in field to join the centre forward at the right time.
Aduh,
2-1.
Rio bisa ngumpan gak sih? Masa bisanya cuma umpan cutback, bos? Alah, kintil Curcati dimainin malah blunder
Just how
lagi.
crucial could that prove to be?
Pascal Struy gitu ya, sorry.
Well, let's take another look. If you lose the ball in those areas, you're going to get punished. And that's exactly what happened there.
Asu.
And we're back underway.
Udah tren positif di Supercopa malah.
Berardi.
Anjir,
Now
Cok.
with Berger.
Parkir tank, Cok, lawannya, Cok.
Promising looking attack this. Oh, there could be something from the cross here. Well, maybe he was distracted, but that's a miss.
Bakal susah sih ini
So,
match.
the defender's done
Thuram
just
udah
enough
nggak
to
kayak,
put him off.
maksudnya nggak se GG sebelumnya ya. Dia masih ada lah sentuhan-sentuhan. Kalau finishing mah nggak usah diragukan, Cok.
After his last defeat, he'll need to change
Cuman
one
ya
or
itu
two
nggak,
things here.
umpannya jelek.
Served through on a plate here.
Anjir, gitu aja, Cok.
Keeper reads it well and saves.
Body balance-nya pun nggak sekokoh kayak musim-musim lalu lah ya.
Possession changes hands.
Duh, Curcati. Ente sekali lagi buat kesalahan, saya ganti, Cok.
Nicolo Fagioli
Musim lalu ngover Jages. GG loh dia.
has the space to whip it in here.
Oke, Curcati.
Promising, but the keeper in command. Marcus Thuram. Now I wonder where this is going. What a chance.
Ajar, Berardi.
And they
Oke.
scored. Second best no
Lihat tuh
longer.
ya.
It's level again.
Anjir, Berardi, Cok, berapa 4 gol dari 18 pertandingan. Dia kalau dikasih posisi tengah, Pak, maksudnya bukan
Well,
saya.
let's see this again.
Jackpot.
This is counter-attacking football at its very best. And once he gets onto it, he just smashes it past the keeper with great technique. What an emphatic finish that is.
And the game restarts with the score 1-1. Fabiano Parisi. Pascal Strauch.
Gelo. Satu sama ya masih ya.
Berger.
Berardi.
Domenico Berardi.
Aduh, lihat. Alah.
Towards the head there.
Us.
And it's a good
Anjir.
save, although one you'd expect to be made.
Salah itu harusnya saya segitiga 2 kali, Pak. Saya pencet L1 segitiga itu.
Lamptey.
Oke, menit 40, Parisi. Guinat. Diem baik, oke.
So much given away.
Thuram maju lah.
Still going here.
Thuram ini
Berardi. The effort.
onside loh.
Still nothing to split the two sides. Maybe that will change with this corner. It's put into the middle.
Anjir,
He
Curcati.
sensed the certain finish.
Malah ke start lagi. GG. Yo, 1 menit tambahan waktu ya.
And on that whistle, the first half comes to an end. And we're off for the second half. Albert Goodmanson. Now, what can they do from here? Opportunity
Ya
here.
ampun.
It's in, and it's their game to lose from here.
Banda Krona.
And it's a great ball to put him through. Good vision to set up
Cicati
the
sama
chance.
ini
And
malah
then the shot
bengong
is
cok.
emphatic.
Si kabar. Jangan dulu lah ya. Gak butuh full pato sih.
Strikes it with such power. The keeper has no time to react. What a good finish.
Berardi. Kone di situ.
Beautifully weighted ball. A goal that draws them back to level terms.
Haruskah Prelok? Anjir, langsung dibalas dong dengan Thuram. Oleh Thuram. Umpannya GG cok. Haruskah player lock? Anjir, itu sejajar sih sama bek lawan sih. Boom. Anjir, De Gea terlalu maju juga kan ya. Anjir, sampai merem dia. Nah ini nih. Anjir, ternyata harus player lock. Oke.
Well, it's no surprise to see who we focused on as our player to watch in this game.
Hati-hatilah ya. Dia ngomong GG.
Well, I think we can expect goals if his form is anything to go by. You just hope that
Ntar
back
dulu,
line of
kasih
his stay
Rio.
in the tapes, because most teams have really struggled to keep him at bay.
Alah,
It's a pretty poor error, to be
si
honest.
kabar.
Substitution coming up.
Rio kenapa situ?
Berardi.
Alah. Aduh, harusnya umpan lambung itu ya. Anjir. Terburu-buru saya, Pak. Soalnya takut si Thuram offside, Pak. Anjir, terjebak offside terus. Nggak lucu dong.
Well, they've got a real bargain here. He's such a good player, and he brings so much to this team. This
Alah,
is a really
nggak
great
kena
move for
lagi.
the club.
Lovely ball. This could lead to something.
Nah,
Oh, they
GG.
looked in there. That's nicely cut out.
Really good defending
Oke.
there.
He's had a terrific influence on the game, but now
Duh, Rio ngapain mundur?
a job well done. Milinkovic-Savic. Domenico Berardi. No sign of stopping yet.
Maju Thuram. Alah, kurang tengah, bego. Kenapa sih selalu minggir?
But it's nowhere near. He's made a real difference today. You're now bringing him off up.
Itu sih ini dia. Kita mainkan si Matic lah ya. Rio. Kabar ini bahaya, Cok.
Solid shift.
Mundur.
Lewis.
Ini manja Matic ya.
Pushing forward with options available now. He's stopped in his
GG.
tracks with a change of possession. Breaking at pace, this could be
Nah,
dangerous.
aduh, terlalu minggir.
Flag
Alah,
there,
offside lagi.
offside.
Anjir, kepalanya itu, Cok. Ya, kepala. Tangan di e-sport offside juga masalahnya.
And the Serie
Mengkintil.
A action continues with another offering soon for you on EA TV as Sassuolo face Torino.
Look at chance here.
He's playing a starring role here.
Tahu bos. Piu. Remontada kah?
Well, here it is again, and it's a superbly weighted through ball to
Ini
break
GG
that
tuh, Ram.
defensive line. And from there, he never looked
Ini
like
GG,
this.
saya
That's
harus
a lovely
akui
goal.
GG. Dia nggak terburu-buru maju. Dia nunggu momen yang pas, Berardi umpan langsung ceper. Lah.
So off we go for the
Thuram.
final few minutes. Can they hold on?
Oke, sekarang kita nyari aman lah ya.
15 minutes remain.
Pablo Mari, Parisi. Mana Matic? Nah. Neto.
That's a lovely
Duel.
ball. There might be something building now.
Aduh. Sundulannya terlalu lemah terus. Ini nggak dapat juga kan dia.
Keeps the attack developing.
Nah. Oke,
That will be a throw in now.
kita main-main aja dulu. Oke, GG.
Strauch.
Nah,
Now Milinkovic-Savic.
lolos dari press lawan.
Berardi.
Kita
This
giniin.
is all they need to do from here as the minutes tick by. Marcus Thuram.
Aduh, Thuram selalu umpannya kayak tai, Cuk.
Parisi.
Siapa ya striker yang bisa ngumpan, bisa passing GG gitu ya?
This is a positive move as they seek that
Baik,
equaliser. Oh, they
keras.
were getting interested there, but not anymore.
Ntar dulu.
Approaching the final
Maju
whistle
tuh
now.
Thuram
No
ngapain?
smoke
Mundur minta bola.
Can't go fast enough for them.
Well, what a finale we have here. Both sides have looked good going forward, but poor defensively. But I do think they have been the better side.
Waduh,
in
salto.
this game.
Aduh, 88 lagi.
Their box with determination
Anjir.
in these last few minutes.
Bahaya.
Pedro Neto.
Pedro Neto anjir.
Doan.
Doan. 2 menit tambahan waktu. Oke,
And the pass is
oke.
incomplete.
Kelar,
Nicely won.
kelar anjir remontada. Remontada.
That's the final whistle.
Ya, tutorial remontada ada di Sassuolo versus Fiorentina, oke.
What did you make of their performance?
It was a really tight game, but they
Tutorial
over the 90 minutes, and they
membalikkan
deserved
skor
it.
atau remontada ada di YouTube John Battle Sassuolo versus Fiorentina, oke. Tuh. Thuram anjir, berapa dia? 2 apa 3 gol ya? Oh, 2 gol 1 assist. 1 gol 1 assist. 1 assist. Gingnard. Sloane, Kone, Skruit, Kirkati, Savic, Matic. Gigil. Untuk match pack kita unggul loh, 9 shot loh, mereka 2 shot. Itu imbang semua ya.
Grazie mister, è un piacere averla ai nostri microfoni.
Milan, Atalanta, Como, Juventus.
Ringraziamo il
Marcus
mister
Thuram
per le-
lawan Turin. Oke. Oke, pertandingan lawan Fiorentina tadi adalah pertandingan terakhir di episode kali ini ya. Untuk melawan Torino, melawan Fiorentina pertandingan terakhir. Untuk pertandingan melawan Torino ini akan saya mainkan di episode selanjutnya. Dan saya langsung akhiri, saya mohon undur diri terlebih dahulu. Kurang lebihnya saya mohon maaf. Akhir kata, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sampai berjumpa di episode selanjutnya. Oke.